Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning my entire first floor. We are hosting Easter this year and I just wanted to get a head start so that when the holiday actually comes, I will be just doing a quick cleanup. We are starting off in my front room and I'm just spraying everything down with my Mrs. Meyer's Mint Multi-Surface Spray. And for the glass, I'm just using the Method glass cleaner.
Don't you know, I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I?
Now I'm just doing a quick vacuum and then I'm going to head into the dining room and start decluttering my dining room table. My dining room table is definitely that catch-all space in my home.
And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh.
Again, I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's spray in the mint. I absolutely love this scent and I will have the code linked below for you to get yours for free if you're a new Grove customer.
Don't you know, I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Now I'm just spraying down this mirror, and this is the kind of mirror that no matter how much I clean it, and no matter what I use in it, it always has some kind of streak in it. So I'm kind of mad at Martha Stewart for this because that's who I bought the mirror from. These little shelves and picture frames were so dusty because this spot in my house is definitely neglected because we don't use our dining room that often. Now we're moving into the kitchen and I'm just going to clean up the counters and put away things where they need to go.
Better off as strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I walk alone in the night, neath the pale moon. Loving's for the fools. Baby, beware of my body. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf, I'm a lone wolf, I'm a lone wolf.
Next, I'm just spraying down all of my countertops in the kitchen. I absolutely love diffusing lemon and purification essential oils because it just makes the house smell so insanely clean.
creeping through the shadows and the corners of your mind. I go where the wind blows. I run but I don't hide. I hear the call of the wild, whispering the name. No, I can't be tamed. My heart belongs to the night. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
Now I'm just wiping down our kitchen table, and it always needs some extra loving because I have a 1-year-old and a 2-year-old who both feed themselves. Next, I'm wiping down my refrigerator with the Method Stainless Steel For Real. This is so far the stainless steel cleaner that I love the most. I have tried a lot, as many of you know, and if you would tell me what your favorite stainless steel cleaner is in the comments below, I would love to hear them. Now I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum, and after that I'm going to be using my steam mop. A lot of you ask which mop I like the most, and I honestly like them all for different reasons. The last time I mopped my kitchen floors, I used my cedar mop and some pine sol, so this time I'm just using my steam mop with water and a little bit of lemon essential oils.
In time we'll find a place that we call home. They can try anything, we'll make it better together now. Don't be afraid of letting go. I know there's more, we can be free. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for.
Next, we're just going into the living room and wiping some things down, and then I'm going to be vacuuming.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget
course, I'm vacuuming my couch. I love the vacuum lines on my couch. I also have dogs and children that are constantly getting crumbs on the couch, so this makes sense for me, even though a lot of people think this is weird. Last but not least, I'm just cleaning my downstairs bathroom, looking like a hot mess, but it's okay. You don't always have to look like a Barbie doll when you make YouTube videos. And I always get questions and comments about my black toilet. I love my black toilet. It came with the house. I did not pick it out. The only thing we've done to this bathroom since we moved in was paint the walls this grayish blue color because they were initially bright red. Now that the house is officially clean, Carter and I are just switching over the laundry. Finally, I'm just folding the laundry. I really try to keep up with the one load a day because it really does just make life so much easier. It doesn't always happen, but when it does, things are just much smoother. The first thing I do when I do laundry is separate into 3 piles. A pile for the boys, a pile for Chris, and then a pile for myself. Just makes it easier for me to fold them.
I feel again, I feel again, oh now.
And now I have to hurry up and put them in the basket before Carter reaches up and unfolds everything. He thinks it's a great game. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and that it has given you some inspiration, some motivation to get your home nice and clean and organized. Please let me know in the comments below which types of videos you would like to see next. I make cleaning videos, mommy vlogs, anything really lifestyle related, I have a video about it. I hope that you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
Standing on the edge of a cliff.